What's poppin', YouTube? As you can see, man, we do have something special for y'all, man. This is a Acura Type S all-wheel drive in a beautiful, beautiful gray with the bronze wheels, red brake calipers, and as you can see, the red interior. This is fire. This one is fire, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. It's one of my favorite cars to drive as of right now. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all hear that exhaust. Just a little something that idle, nothing too crazy, but yeah, let's hop in it. Let's go. We stop at yellow lights, y'all. We don't run red lights. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, beautiful red interior. Type S embroidered on the seat, man. Cool little sunroof. Let me open that up, give y'all some more light in here because it is kind of dark. But yeah, man, we are coming strong on this channel. We are going strong. This is episode 3. I have not came up with a name for the series yet, but y'all can read about the title, man. Y'all gonna understand what it is and what it ain't. But yeah, man, this is one of my favorites, man. If you have never driven a Type S before, it handles beautifully. And it also has a turbo in it that just be whining like a mother. It ain't no Hellcat whine, but it sounds great. I ain't gonna lie. So I'm gonna let y'all hear that after these cars turn. Come on, man. This thing don't want no smoke, man. But yeah, man, this car sounds great. I'm gonna try to cut up a little bit if I can, but yeah, man, like I always say, man, I hope y'all doing good, man. I hope y'all doing good, man. It's a hot day, bro. It's a hot day outside, but it's all smiles, man. We are approaching the middle of summer. I know summer doesn't really last too long, but bro, it's been hot, bro. I don't know about y'all, but bro, I ain't been outside like that for real. And what's crazy is I haven't even been to the pool like that. You feel me? I feel like the pool is mandatory, but you know, it's whatever, bro. All right, man, let's open this up for y'all a little bit. Pretty quick. Sounds great. I love driving this car. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what this mud doing. Let's see what he want. He don't want no smoke, man. I'll do his ass. I don't know if this gonna be this Audi, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But we'll see. He don't want no smoke, man. Yeah, he's scared. Yeah, man. We'll roll the windows up so y'all can hear me a little bit better. But yeah, man, so far so good on this channel, man. It's been fun, bro. It has been fun. And I'm just happy to be able to show y'all, you know, some of the things I drive, man. Some of the things I drive, man. One day I will tell y'all how I live the life that I do. That was a little honey pool. Yeah. Alright, let's do a 60 bar. 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 Let's see how quick we can get done Honda. There's folks pulling out in front of me. I got y'all. Alright, let's go. the light, y'all. I'm at the light. I'm at the light, gang. But yeah, bruh. So far, so good with this channel, man. I'm hoping y'all is liking the content, man. Oh, this just sounds too good, boy. I love the exhaust on this, bro. Whatever Acura, Honda, whatever they doing, but they popping it, man. They popping it. They popping it, man. I be seeing parking lots like that, man. I'll be wanting to slide this bit, but yeah, bruh. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know how y'all like this one, man. I know a lot of people don't know about this, and Type S's are pretty rare. I'm noticing. You see a lot of H-Specs, but you don't see a lot of Type S's. So, yeah, man. Y'all let me know, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling about this one, man. I've made it to my destination, but we will pick it back up. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. This is the Acura Type S all-wheel drive. Like I always say, man, I hope y'all take care of yourself. I appreciate y'all for tuning in once again. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. And make sure y'all stay updated with the next post, man. I got something crazy for y'all. I got something a little crazy for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. Lock in with me. Here we going up. I appreciate y'all for watching.